when you're trying to tighten a strap, you want to think about pulling smart. And all that means is that while we understand we grab this loose end and we pull on it, there are a variety of ways you could pull that are going to be non-responsive. If you're pulling outward from the adjuster or side to side, it's not really going to slide. The way you tighten is you have to pull it straight back from the adjuster. So I don't have this hooked up right now, but I can demonstrate it and kind of learn from practicing that. So that when it is hooked up, then I'm going to remember, oh, I need to pull straight back, however that is going to line up with my situation. But that's the only way to pull to actually accomplish tightening the strap. A car seat has the lower anchor connectors attached. I can apply those principles of pulling smart. I know that if I pull this way or this way, it's not really going to tighten. It's only going to tighten when I pull straight back. Of course, when we're working with a car seat, though, our hand butts right up against the seat at a certain point, and it makes it harder. I will point out, too, some straps have this nice loop at the end, which can be helpful to hold on to, but really, you want to get in close to do your pulling, okay? You also want to take advantage of openings, right? Because if I'm trying to pull here and I can't quite get it all the way tight, I might need to do the final tightening by opening up the seating area, bringing the strap to the inside, and then completing my tightening by pulling smart straight back and utilizing this area to be able to do that pulling. Sometimes it helps at the very end to kind of pull a little bit side to side, but now that I've taken advantage of the opening of the belt path and pulling on the inside, I can see I get a much tighter installation because I've been able to pull smart and pull the rest of the slack out of that system.